Okay, this is the last stretch, everybody. Let's take a look at the very original piece that we started with.
I'll be back. I'll be
Oops. As you can see, he's got a jiggle
back.
deformer
I'll
on his geometry, and the file that I gave you guys actually has this jiggle turned off. Okay, so I'm just going to disable it right now because
I'll be back.
it kind of acts
I'll be back.
erratically. Okay.
I'll be back.
But what we're going to animate right now is the blinking of the character.
I'll be back. I'll be back.
And this adds more realism and a natural touch to your character's expressions, right? All right, so this is the animation that we're working on in this lesson. Right, and I'm just going to show my sound because I do want to time the blinking with the sound. All right, so what I'm going to do is have Meeper blink once at the beginning, I'll, maybe while he's saying I'll, okay? And then I'll be back, and at the end, he'll blink twice, all right? The rule of thumb with blinking is that in terms of keyframing, you need at least 3 frames per open and 3 frames per close to be able to see it properly. Anything shorter than that is going to just look sort of like a blip. And if you have like a 1 frame keyframed eye blink, you won't even see it. So the way I'm going to do it is this. Now I know that my left blink and my right blink have a keyframe at the very beginning, and that's because I keyframed everything at the very start, okay? And that's the only time it's going to have the keyframe, right? Now that's how it blinks. 1 is blink, 0 is open. All right, so let's determine when exactly it's going to start blinking. Okay, so let's just say at frame 4, it's going to start blinking. Now, I need to first and foremost set their keys at frame 4 when they're open, all right? And that's because it will keep that open eyelid from 0 to frame 4, all right? And then now that I've keyframed both of them open at this point, I can go 1, 2, 3. All right, and I'm going to close it. And 1, 2, 3, I am going to open them again. All right, so now I have, all right, so it goes open, starts to close, close, open.
I'll be back. I'll be back.
Okay, my playback isn't really great right now because my computer is a little slow, but let's keep going. And right around here, I'm going to start my second blink. And to start it again, I'm going to set the keys so that I maintain that openness from frame 9 till 19, right? And then 1, 2, 3, I'm going to just turn those on. My auto keyframe will do that. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to open it up. All right. And then I'm going to once again, 1, 2, 3, I'm going to close it. Okay. Because he's going to blink in succession. And then 1, 2, 3, I'm going to open it. All right. So now it's going to look like this. Okay. So next I'm gonna actually go in here and take my look at, okay, my look at doesn't have a keyframe yet, but let's change my look at to a different spot. Okay. And I can, for a moment here, let's turn off your NURBS curves and play blast it. Okay, so it's just going to play blast through till frame 37. Okay.
I'll be back.
I'm just focusing right now on the eyes. All right.
I'll be back.
Good.